Okay, heading up Chertsey Lane. We've just gone past Mayfield Gardens. We're in this massive, great big Jeep, and the water is nearly up to the doors. I've just seen a TV crew and asked them the question, so where's the Datchet to Teddington flood relief scheme that was promised, that would have avoided all this? And Rob asked the reporter to ask David Cameron that same question. This is incredible.
Wet feet, yeah?
Oh, dry as a chip at the moment.
Do we know anyone on the council? Can we get this town twinned with Venice?
If you didn't hear that, Rob said, do we know anyone in the council, can we get Staines twinned with Venice? We might learn something.